In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cursor chat in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful tool for design and collaboration, and one of its lesser-known but highly effective features for real-time interaction is cursor chat. This isn't your typical comment section. Instead, it's a dynamic, on-the-fly way to communicate with your teammates directly on the canvas, perfect for drawing attention to specific areas or asking quick questions during a live design review session. It's an ephemeral message that appears right next to your cursor, making it super clear what you're referring to. Let's walk through how to activate and use this feature. The process is quite simple, designed for speed and ease of use in a collaborative environment. To begin, you'll want to be within your Figma design file. Once you're there, simply move your mouse cursor to any empty spot on your canvas, or even over an existing design element you want to comment on. Then, perform a right-click. This action will bring up a context menu with various options relevant to your current selection or the canvas itself. Among these options, you'll find Cursor Chat. Look for it carefully, and once you see it, go ahead and click on Cursor Chat to select it. As soon as you click Cursor Chat, you'll notice a small text input field appear right next to your mouse cursor. This is your cue that the cursor chat mode is active and ready for your message. Now, you can simply start typing anything you want. For instance, you might type, "What do you think of this component? Look at this section." Or even just a quick "Hi" to a colleague who has just joined the file. Once you've typed your message, you don't even need to hit enter. The text will automatically appear floating next to your cursor for a few seconds before it gracefully fades away. This transient nature is what makes cursor chat so effective for quick, immediate interactions. It's not meant for permanent documentation or detailed feedback that needs to be archived. For those purposes, Figma's dedicated comment tool is a better fit. Instead, cursor chat excels at drawing immediate attention to something, asking a rapid, clarifying question, or simply indicating your presence and focus on a particular part of the design. Think of it as a virtual laser pointer combined with a post-it note that disappears after a short moment. It's a fantastic way to point things out, get quick confirmations, or even just share a brief reaction without interrupting the flow of work or cluttering the canvas with persistent comments.